Long ago, in a peaceful kingdom, there lived a king who had 12 beautiful daughters. They were kind, smart, and loved each other very much. Every night, the king locked their bedroom door, but every morning their shoes were worn out, as if they had been dancing all night. The king was worried. He asked many people to discover the secret, but no one could. Anyone who failed was sent away from the kingdom. One day, a young gardener named Leo heard about the problem. He was brave but gentle, and he decided to try his luck. An old woman met Leo on the road. She gave him a small silver leaf and said, "This will help you. Do not drink anything the princesses offer you." Leo thanked her and went to the palace. That night, Leo hid quietly near the princess's room. When the youngest princess tapped her bed 3 times, a secret door opened in the floor. Leo used the silver leaf and became invisible. He followed them. The princesses walked into a hidden garden under the palace. The garden was magical, full of glowing flowers and soft music. Fireflies lit the path like stars. In the center was a crystal hall where music played by itself. The princesses danced happily, free from rules and worries. Leo picked a glowing flower as proof. Before sunrise, the princesses returned to their room and the door closed again. In the morning, Leo told the king everything. He showed the glowing flower, which shone brightly in the sunlight. The princesses were surprised, but not angry. They explained that they only wanted a place to be themselves. The king listened carefully. He realized he had been too strict. Instead of punishment, he created a beautiful garden for them in the palace where they could dance freely. The kingdom became happier than ever. Leo was rewarded and became the royal gardener. The 12 princesses never had to hide again, and their shoes stayed new forever.
Do you think the princesses were right or wrong? Comment below.
Subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories.